Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the artichoke scooter on Grow a Garden. So first you need to plant your artichoke. You get the seed from Crispy, and you'll need a minimum of 9 mutations on your plants. So I'm just going to add some mutations to it. I cannot show you the end result because it's going to take so long for me to get 9 mutations because I only have like 3 of these sprays. I'm like making one right now and I'll probably have like 5 mutations, but that is how you can get the artichoke scooter on Grow a Garden. Just make sure you favorite it so it doesn't get accidentally collected. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.